Emma Reynolds was a seasoned software engineer at TechPro Solutions, a bustling tech company known for its innovative products and cutting-edge solutions. With over a decade of experience, Emma had seen the industry evolve from basic programming languages to sophisticated AI algorithms. Her journey was marked by relentless learning and adaptation, shaping her into a respected expert in her field. Emma's passion for technology was matched only by her desire to help others succeed. She often found herself guiding junior colleagues through complex coding challenges and sharing insights on industry best practices. Recognizing her natural inclination to teach, Emma's manager suggested she take on a formal mentorship role within the company's new talent development program. Initially hesitant, Emma pondered the commitment this role would entail. However, the prospect of nurturing the next generation of tech professionals and sharing her wealth of knowledge excited her. She accepted the role, eager to make a lasting impact. Emma dove into her new responsibilities with enthusiasm, meticulously designing a mentorship program that combined theoretical knowledge with practical application. She created a structured curriculum that covered everything from basic coding principles to advanced software development techniques. Additionally, Emma incorporated real-world projects to give mentees hands-on experience. Her first cohort consisted of 5 eager young engineers, each bringing a unique perspective and varying levels of experience. Emma scheduled weekly sessions where she would walk them through complex coding scenarios, debug issues together, and discuss the latest industry trends. She encouraged open communication, fostering an environment where questions were welcomed and no one felt intimidated. One of Emma's mentees, Liam, was particularly struggling with understanding data structures, a critical component of efficient programming. Sensing his frustration, Emma dedicated extra time to explain the concepts in different ways until Liam had his aha moment. This personalized attention became a hallmark of her mentorship style. As the program progressed, Emma encountered several challenges. Balancing her workload while dedicating sufficient time to her mentees was a constant juggling act. Additionally, she faced resistance from a few senior colleagues who questioned the value of investing so much time in mentoring junior staff. Emma persevered, believing in the long-term benefits of knowledge sharing. She sought feedback from her mentees, continually refining her approach to better meet their needs. Her efforts began to pay off, as her mentees showed remarkable improvement, both in their technical skills and their confidence. The turning point came when Emma's team successfully completed a challenging project ahead of schedule, thanks to the innovative solutions proposed by her mentees. This success not only boosted the morale of the entire team, but also silenced the skeptics. Emma's mentorship program was proving its worth. Buoyed by the success of the initial cohort, Emma proposed expanding the mentorship program company-wide. She presented her vision to the executive team, emphasizing the long-term benefits of a knowledgeable and confident workforce. Her proposal included not only technical training, but also soft skills development, such as effective communication and teamwork. The executives were impressed by Emma's detailed plan and approved the expansion. Emma then worked tirelessly to recruit more mentors, train them on the program's principles, and match them with mentees across various departments. She also introduced monthly workshops and seminars led by industry experts to provide additional learning opportunities. As the program grew, Emma saw a transformation within TechPro Solutions. Employees were more engaged, collaboration between teams improved, and innovation flourished. Emma's initiative had cultivated a culture of continuous learning and knowledge sharing, benefiting both the individuals and the company as a whole. Years passed, and Emma's mentorship program had become an integral part of TechPro Solutions' identity. Her early mentees had progressed significantly in their careers, some becoming senior engineers, project leaders, and even mentors themselves. The ripple effect of Emma's knowledge-sharing philosophy was evident throughout the company, fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. Emma herself had evolved immensely through her journey as a mentor. Her reputation as a thought leader in the industry grew, and she was frequently invited to speak at conferences and seminars. These events allowed her to share her experiences and insights on mentorship, emphasizing the transformative power of knowledge sharing in tech and beyond. Her work at TechPro Solutions earned her numerous accolades, including an industry award for outstanding contribution to professional development. The mentorship program's expansion under Emma's guidance had led to the formation of cross-departmental mentorship groups, fostering collaboration between engineers, designers, and business analysts. This interdisciplinary approach not only enriched the participants' skills, but also sparked innovative solutions to complex problems, driving TechPro Solutions to new heights of success. Reflecting on her journey, Emma felt a deep sense of fulfillment. One of her proudest moments came when Liam, her once struggling mentee, presented a groundbreaking project at an international tech conference. Liam credited Emma's patience and dedication for his achievements, a testament to the lasting impact of her mentorship. Emma's influence extended beyond TechPro Solutions. She collaborated with educational institutions to develop internship programs that provided students with hands-on experience in the tech industry. These initiatives helped bridge the gap between academic learning and real-world application, preparing the next generation of professionals for successful careers. As Emma walked through the bustling halls of TechPro Solutions, she observed the vibrant culture of collaboration and innovation that had blossomed. Employees freely exchanged ideas, sought feedback from one another, and approached challenges with a collective mindset. This environment, where knowledge sharing was deeply ingrained, had become a cornerstone of the company's ongoing success. One afternoon, Emma was approached by the CEO, who invited her to a private meeting. During the meeting, the CEO expressed gratitude for Emma's contributions, highlighting how her mentorship program had transformed the company. He then offered Emma a new role as the Chief Knowledge Officer, a position created to ensure the continued growth and integration of the mentorship culture she had established. Humbled and honored, Emma accepted the role, excited about the opportunity to further institutionalize knowledge sharing across all levels of the organization. In this new capacity, she planned to implement advanced training modules, leverage technology to facilitate virtual mentorship sessions, and explore partnerships with other industry leaders to exchange best practices. Emma's legacy at TechPro Solutions was more than a successful mentorship program. It was a thriving ecosystem of continuous improvement and mutual support. She had demonstrated that sharing knowledge was not just about imparting information, but about empowering individuals to reach their full potential. Her story served as an inspiration, showing that one person's commitment to developing others could lead to a profound and lasting impact on an entire organization. Looking ahead, Emma remained passionate about her mission. She understood that the journey of knowledge sharing was ongoing, with each new challenge presenting an opportunity for growth and learning. With renewed energy and a clear vision, Emma was ready to continue guiding TechPro Solutions toward a future where innovation and collaboration knew no bounds.